Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of peace? A feeling of calm permanence? Well, hold on to that thought, because our cosmic neighborhood is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, is on a collision course. And not with some rogue asteroid, but with our biggest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. This isn't science fiction, it's a future reality, predicted by decades of astronomical observation. So, what exactly is going to happen? When will it happen? And most importantly, should we be worried? Let's dive into the story of the biggest cosmic merger in our future. First, let's get the timing straight. Don't cancel your weekend plans just yet. This colossal event is set to happen in about 4.5 billion years. To put that into perspective, our own sun is about 4.5 billion years old. So, we're talking about a timescale that's almost incomprehensibly vast. By the time this collision begins, our sun will have become a red giant, likely having already made Earth uninhabitable. Humanity, if we're still around, will have long since ventured to other star systems. So, no need to panic. Instead, we get to be cosmic spectators, understanding the incredible dance of galaxies from a safe distance in time. Now, how do we know this is happening? It's all thanks to the Doppler effect, but for light. You know how a siren sounds higher pitched as it comes towards you and lower as it moves away? Light does something similar. Light from objects moving away from us gets stretched out, appearing redder. This is called redshift. Light from objects moving towards us gets compressed, appearing bluer. This is called blue shift. For almost a century, astronomers observed that most galaxies are redshifted, meaning they're moving away from us as the universe expands. But Andromeda was the odd one out. It's one of the few galaxies showing a blue shift. That's our cosmic siren, telling us it's heading straight for us at a blistering speed of about 110 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to travel from New York to Los Angeles in under a minute. So, what will this collision actually look like? When you hear the word collision, you might picture a catastrophic crash, like two cars smashing into each other. But a galaxy collision is something entirely different and far more elegant. The key thing to remember is that galaxies are mostly empty space. The stars within them are incredibly far apart. Imagine two handfuls of sand thrown at each other from across a football field. The chances of any two individual grains of sand hitting each other are astronomically low. The same is true for stars. During the merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda, the probability of our sun, or any star for that matter, directly colliding with another star is almost zero. Instead of a crash, it's more like a gravitational dance. As the two galaxies approach, their immense gravity will start to pull and distort each other. Long, beautiful streamers of stars and gas, called tidal tails, will be flung out into intergalactic space. It would be an unimaginably spectacular sight. The first pass might see the two galaxies move through each other, like two ghosts passing in the night. But their gravitational grip will be too strong to let go. They'll slow down, turn around, and fall back towards each other for a second, third, and fourth pass. Each encounter will further scramble their structures, mixing their stars and gas clouds like stirring two different colors of paint together. This process will take hundreds of millions of years. Over this time, the two beautiful spiral galaxies we know today, our Milky Way with its familiar arms and Andromeda with its grand, sprawling disk, will be completely transformed. The organized, spinning disks will be disrupted. The stars will be flung into new, more random orbits, eventually settling into a new, much larger and more disordered shape. The final result of this cosmic merger will be the birth of a new, giant elliptical galaxy. Some astronomers have already given this future galaxy a name: Milkomeda, or sometimes Milkdromeda. This new supergalaxy will be a massive, roundish blob of stars, lacking the graceful spiral arms of its parents. But what about the heart of these galaxies? Both the Milky Way and Andromeda have supermassive black holes at their centers. Our galaxy's black hole, Sagittarius AI, is about 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Andromeda's is even bigger, clocking in at around 100 million solar masses. When the galaxies merge, these two colossal black holes will eventually find each other. They'll begin a cosmic waltz, orbiting each other and getting closer and closer over millions of years. As they spiral inwards, they will release tremendous amounts of energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of space-time. Finally, they will merge, creating an even more massive black hole at the center of the new Milky Way galaxy. This merger won't just be about rearranging stars, it will trigger a spectacular burst of creation. Both galaxies are rich in interstellar gas and dust, the raw materials for making new stars. As the galaxies collide and their gas clouds smash into each other, the gas will be compressed, triggering a massive wave of star formation. This is called a starburst. For a period of time, Milky Way will light up with the brilliant blue light of millions of newborn, hot, massive stars. The night sky, viewed from a planet within this new galaxy, would be absolutely breathtaking, filled with brilliant nebulae and countless young star clusters. It will be a cosmic renaissance, a period of intense stellar birth on a galactic scale. While our sun won't collide with another star, its journey through the new galaxy will be quite a ride. Computer simulations suggest there's a good chance our solar system will be flung much further away from the galactic core than we are now. Imagine our descendants looking up at a sky where the familiar Milky Way band is gone, replaced by the scattered light of a giant elliptical galaxy. The galactic center, with its supermassive black hole and dense star clusters, would be a much more distant glow. Or we could be thrown into a closer, more chaotic orbit. The precise fate is uncertain, but one thing is for sure. Our cosmic address will be permanently changed. This grand cosmic event isn't unique. We see it happening all over the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured stunning images of other galaxies in various stages of merging, like the antennae galaxies or the mice galaxies. These observations are like looking at snapshots from a cosmic photo album, showing us what our own future looks like. By studying these distant mergers, we can refine our models and get a clearer picture of the epic destiny that awaits our own Milky Way. It's a powerful reminder that the universe is not a static, unchanging place. It's dynamic, evolving, and constantly remaking itself on the grandest of scales. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a beautiful, awe-inspiring story about creation and transformation. It's a testament to the power of gravity. While it's a future none of us will ever witness firsthand, understanding it gives us a profound perspective on our place in the universe. We live in a relatively quiet moment in our galaxy's long and dramatic life. So next time you look up at the stars, remember that you're seeing just one frame in an epic cosmic movie. A movie whose spectacular climax is already written in the stars scheduled to arrive in about 4.5 billion years. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the cosmos.